Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Then this one will learn how we can rewrite prompts on the fly with UserPromptSubmit hooks. So in our previous lecture, we saw how we can log the prompts given by the user in a JSON file using hooks provided by Claude Code. And in this one, we'll be extending it further and we'll learn how we can rewrite that prompt so that it can be shown as an input to the larger picture. Over here, we have modified our log cloud prompt.js file. And if you notice, here we have changed it to json.parse input. And from that, we are just extracting the prompt. If you see the previously generated cloud prompts.json file, it had the prompt with all these attributes. And what we are now trying to do is we're trimming it out. We are then checking whether the prompt text is there or not. And then over here, we are prefixing that. Tell me a joke on prompt. And whatever prompt the user will enter, it will try to create a joke on it. And we are logging it in the cloud prompts.json file with a change over here. That is, we are also storing now both the versions, the original as well the modifier. And we are writing that in a JSON file. And then this is the core part. What we are doing now is we are writing to the standard output. So the prefix that you see over here is being written to the standard output. And as soon as this gets done, Claude Code will take that as the actual prompt and then work on it. So basically you can modify what Claude ultimately sees, not just log it. So anything that your hook prints to standard output is added to Claude's context along with the prompt for UserPromptSubmit. And that's exactly how we are doing it over here. Let's go ahead and try to write something over here as a prompt. So I've provided a word, finance, press enter, and there you go. You can see that it has given me a joke on it, and a quite lengthy one. Why don't some couples go to the gym? Because some relationships don't work out. Wait, that's not finance. Let me try again. Why did the investor bring a ladder to the stock market? Because they heard the market was going up. Or here's another one. What's the difference between a taxidermist and a tax collector? The taxidermist takes only your skin. So you can see that how by just providing one word and using hooks, we are able to take that as input to the actual scenario that we are trying to create behind the scenes. And it is giving you the desired result.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.